Hi, my name's Gareth. I've just completed the Master Facilitator course. 2 weeks ago I completed the basic course, basic facilitator course. From finishing the first course to turn to this course, I used PSYCH-K to work on myself predominantly, and I've been a smoker for 20 years. I've probably tried every single method you can think of. I've gone all the way through to Alan Carr expensive sessions, hypnotherapy, other bits and pieces, and I've never really been able to keep it off. I'm going to try PSYCH-K, and it's been ridiculously easy. And that was just a bit of experimentation, a little bit of play, trying to understand what the message was. And bizarrely, every time I think about smoking now, I have a little giggle inside. And people have offered me cigarettes who still think I'm a smoker, and it's made me laugh out loud. It's been such an interesting and easy process, and that's just one of the little bits that PSYCH-K can do. And my journey so far is to do 2 workshops, and my understanding of PSYCH-K has completely transformed what I think is possible. It's been amazing to come here to work with other people, whether you want to just work on yourself, just work with friends and family and keep it nice and small. The benefits and changes you can make are fantastic. That's how I thought I was going to be. I'm now looking at slightly bigger and larger things. I'm now considering this as maybe something I actually want to do on a part full-time basis, but I can't see me, PSYCH-K, leaving our company for the rest of my life. It's a fantastic tool. If you're thinking about it, put hesitation on one side, just jump on a course. What's the worst that can happen?